everybody, so this video is going to be a super fun video to do. I'm so excited. This video is actually sponsored by Fabfitfun. I'm going to be doing a unboxing haul, and nonetheless of all of that, I have loved Fabfitfun. I used to actually get it when I was like in high school, and I just think it's such a fun concept. A huge box like every single season. So this is the fall box, and it's filled with a ton of cool stuff, from fashion to living to beauty to all this kind of stuff, like just like any kind of day use. And it's only $50 per season, so $50 each time you get it, and it has such a huge value beyond that, like literally like in the hundreds. That's how much stuff is in this thing, and it's just such a good like value for what you're getting, and it's fun. Like, it's just like different stuff, and even if you don't end up keeping it, like it's really good stuff that you could totally give to people for like birthdays and stuff like that. So let's just get started with opening up Fabfitfun. I'll have all of the information down below for you guys to go check out Fabfitfun. So let's just get on to unboxing all this stuff because I'm really excited. It's a super cute box. It looks like this. And yeah, so let's crack it open. It's like right in front of me. Okay. I don't want this to like knock over the camera. Okay, so when you first open it up, it comes with like a Fabfitfun magazine. It comes with a bunch of coupons actually. Like, this is for Luna Bar. It's actually just like an informational thing. This is a $10 off a box for Fabfitfun. This is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, which is literally awesome. I've always wanted to try this like food company, or what is it called, like food delivery company, and I'm probably gonna use that because that's like a really good deal. How much is it originally? And you open it, you get to the good stuff, and it looks like this, which is so exciting. It's literally like Christmas, like actually Christmas. Okay, so once again, this box is $50. In this magazine where you can find out like the information for all this stuff, that this is valued to like $280 to $375, which is actually insane. So this thing, honestly, what I was super excited about was a beauty blender, because like I really needed a new one. So it just came with this pink beauty blender. I'm gonna crack this open like right after this video. This is $20 originally, so right there, you're already like almost to the price of this box basically. The next thing I see in here are two Glam Glow bubble sheet masks, which I'm so excited to use because I don't know if it's just this, but I think they also have like a mask itself. Or maybe it is these, but like it bubbles on your face and it just looks so cool, and I love anything like deep, like I love anything Glam Glow, honestly, everything works so well. So I have two of those, which these are $18, so I'm guessing like, I don't know if that means each or together, but oh, I'm just also like looking at the magazine, that's what I'm looking down at. And then there's also a Luna Bar in here, it's the salted caramel nut one. I've never seen Luna Rica before. This will be nice to have since I'm in college and I always need like food on the go, so that's sweet. The next thing in here is heavy. It is the yoga detox bath, and it is basically Greek Mesithia, Mediterranean sea salt, and goji berry extracts, which sounds amazing. This is originally $40, and yeah, it's basically just like a salt bath, and it's like eucalyptus and stuff, and it's meant to like relax you, which I need this, so I'm gonna be doing that soon. So that's awesome. I just love this box because it's things you would never really like buy for yourself, but like if it comes in like a discounted price, it's just fun to try, you know? So this next thing is Crown Pro, which is a brush set. Oh my god, I didn't even realize it was brushes. So it's a six-piece brush set. Wait, that's actually awesome. One second, like I need brushes really bad. Wow. Wow, I needed this brush so freaking bad. I left it back at home. Okay, so it comes with 6 brushes. I'm pretty sure Crown brushes are like really nice. This is apparently like $75 worth of brushes. Oh my god, they're actually so soft. Okay, well, I'm really excited because I didn't even realize that this was brushes. But yeah, so that's awesome. So it comes with that as well. Doesn't this feel like Christmas? I really feel like I'm like opening up presents. The next thing, which is awesome, I've been needing these, are wireless earbuds, which is literally like the best thing ever because I hate like having a cord and like when you're trying to work out and stuff. So these connect still, but like it's not like a cord that has to plug into your phone, which is awesome, and it's the Cobra brand. These are $40, so like this is literally so much more than the box cost. It's actually insane. It's like such a good deal. This is also like such a good thing. Like if you don't think you want it for yourself, like getting a subscription for like a friend or like a girlfriend or something like that is like such a cool thing, because like they get it every season. You could do it for them for like a year, and it's like awesome stuff, and you didn't even have to like put any thought into like what to get them. Like if you don't know what to get someone, like I feel like it'd be really cool to like just order them a subscription to Fabfitfun, you know? So this next thing is the Grown Alchemist Hydra Repair Day Cream. This is $49 right here, so that's pretty awesome. It's like a lot of money. This is like a lot of stuff. So it just looks like this. It looks super expensive, honestly. I mean, it kind of is. Oh, it even has like a pop top like paint. Ow. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, I'll be using that. That's nice. Okay, so that also is in there. And then this, honestly, is a need. Being in college, not having anything. A kitchen towel, a tea. These are $15, which is honestly kind of expensive for a towel. So it's nice that it's in here. But, oh, it comes with two. Okay, that makes sense. So there's 2 kitchen towels in here, which is awesome, because it's just like something you just didn't think you needed until you got it in one of these things, honestly. And then the last thing in here, which I think is honestly the coolest thing, is this Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. And like I've been to California like once, but like I always think like Alfred is like such a cool like vibey place. So to be able to like get this in Fabfitfun box is honestly pretty cool. I want to open it up because the picture in the magazine looks like it's really cute, and I want to see if that's what it looks like. So, wait, this is actually so cute. Okay, so it's a teapot from Alfred. It comes with the strainer, or whatever that thing's called. Strainer, right? Something like that, to brew the tea. And it's so cute. It's all like spring looking. This is actually adorable. Like, I don't even know if I want to like use this. I want to like display it. So yeah, it comes with this, and this has to be expensive. Oh no, it's only $22, but like still something you would never think you wanted. So you got it in one of these things, you know? So that is the last thing, I believe. Yeah, there is one more thing, dang it. Okay, this is the Skin & Co. Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Dang it, I knew I forgot something. How much? $22, so. That was a very last minute. I was about to leave, but I looked at it. It was underneath this thing. So yeah, this is another thing. Let's see how it smells, unless there's a lid thing on it. Yeah, I hate taking those off. But I'm sure it smells amazing. It's basil and autumn blossom and sage and rose. So yeah. Alright, now that that's done, so that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Fabfitfun. I actually really enjoyed doing this because I didn't really look at anything when I first received this, because I wanted to be like surprised on camera. And all of this stuff, valuing it that much money for the amount of money you spend for this box is actually insane. Like, I think this is such a good present to give to someone, or even do for yourself, you know, like self-love. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I will have all the information linked down below for Fabfitfun to go check them out and do all that kind of stuff. Thank you, Fabfitfun, so much for making this video happen. I absolutely love doing it, and I am so excited to use all the stuff that was just in this thing. So I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.